Hey y'all, it's Shelly. So I am 42 years old, married with 2 kids, and I have never made homemade bread. And so I really wanted to try it. So this came from Vevor, Vevor. If you have not checked out this company yet, you need to do so. They make absolutely wonderful products. And I was lucky enough to be asked by them to receive this bread maker for free in exchange for my honest and unbiased review. So it did come in a nicely tight packaged box, and it even came with a super cute pink oven mitt, and then inside was the loaf pan, and then it came with a few accessories like this measuring cup, measuring spoon, and then 2 of the paddles that you need, and a hook so you can get the basket out because it's super hot when it gets done, from what I've read. So I've got all my ingredients out, and I'm going to give it a try. Okay, so I've got everything in the pan. I've got the paddle in there. So I'm just going to set this back into the machine. When you do place it in there, you have to place it at an angle and then just kind of turn it straight. That kind of locks it in. The same thing with getting it out. You have to twist it and then pull it out. And you just plug it in. We're going to close the lid. I do like that it has this window right here so you can see in it. All right, so this is my first time using it. So we are going to pick what kind of bread based on the number here. It goes with that, so I'm going to do sweet bread. And then I pushed loaf, and I went to the color right here, and I went with light, and then I pushed start, and it is starting. You can kind of see it through the window right there, and we will see what goes on and how it turns out. Okay, so when it was finished, it just made a beeping noise. I just hit stop, and then I opened it up. Like I said, you do have to turn that basket in there to get it off of that right there. I used the cute little pink mitt that they gave me to get it out with, and here is the finished product. It's very squishy, just perfect like I want. I wish you could smell it because it smells absolutely delicious. I actually made Hawaiian bread this time, and I cannot wait to make banana bread next time. So all in all, I would definitely recommend this bread machine, just for the fact that it's so easy to use. Like I said, I'm 42 years old. I have never made a homemade loaf of bread, and I did it today. It's a great product, and I cannot wait to make the next loaf of bread for the family.